Okay, we're walking the dog now. In this video, we're gonna show our dogs and what they do when they're outside. So it should be fun.
Yeah,
Okay.
just like Mateo.
Well, see you when we get back though. Bye for right now.
Might see some fireflies over there.
Okay, we're on our way to the back. You might hear my siblings in the background. I'm not going to show them on camera unless they want me to.
Can we go underwater?
An iPhone? No, the iPhone can't go underwater unless it has an otter box in a waterproof case. Oh, unless it has a
waterproof case, you say?
Yeah, waterproof case.
It's called a life-proof case.
Yeah.
Wait. This is what I did with my...
Well, this is what we do when we go to the back
Can you get out of block?
of the park.
It jams sometimes. Hold on.
Power box.
Oh.
Daddy, you okay?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Oh, I got the lights on the airport. There's going to be something coming up.
This is how you walk a dog.
Nice in the airport? Yeah. Probably.
There goes one.
Coming back.
Oh, it's an airplane.
Some of the planes are so
I don't know if
quiet.
you can see it in the background.
Usually.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see the moon.
2 meters away.
Okay, there's the moon. Right now I'm filming on an iPad. There's Blondie. The monkey's all the way back there with Charlie, but I'm not going to show him right now. Because he may not want me to. So I'm going to come back to you in a little while.
Yeah.
We're now letting the dogs out at the back.
Stay.
Um,
Stay.
And go!
Alright, Blondie, you cheated a bit. Go, 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 go.
okay, we're at the back.
Go.
No, not that way.
No, we want him out here.
I got it leak.
Oh, okay. Come
Yeah,
on,
push
get
back
going,
there.
girls, if you gotta
No,
go to the
no,
bathroom.
no.
Get going.
I see the water tower. It's right back there.
Well, this thing's nice and great.
Oh, the water tower is. Oh,
Down
there's
the
the...
pathway, it kind of almost like a tunnel straight ahead. Kind of looks like a tunnel, and if you look back where Shayla is down that way, that was not. That one was more like a tunnel.
Wait until they get ahead of me.
Charlie, you lazy butt.
She told me to.
Oh, she did.
There's the other side of the trail. No, over ahead.
Good girl, Blondie. See if you can find Blondie. Where's Blondie?
Where's Blondie?
I see her.
Do you see the dog?
There she comes.
Oh, that's just okay.
Come on, Blondie. And she's out of the grass.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Oh, my, there goes monkey.
I love it. Kate, you know how the water dinosaur? Mosasaurus? That big one? Yeah.
Okay, it's time to go.
Hilarious.
Do you see the dog?
The movie?
In the water.
You're talking about the
Yeah,
movie?
Jurassic World.
Oh my god.
Yeah, the water dinosaur eats the one that's terrorizing the park.
Mm-hmm.
The water dinosaur eats that one. Okay, there might be fireflies back here sometimes. There is, and sometimes there isn't.
That'd be sucky, like, having no drip. Like, I thought it was
So we're nearing the end of the trail, but then we're gonna go back. I stop here and something insane happens. Bye.
And they're wrestling.
Who will win? Big one is midget.
Smokey, the dynamic little
Runt.
chugabug, against the deer-like rambunctious Blondie the bombshell. Get her, Spunky! You get her! Oh, they think you got a stick.
And there goes Monkey. Well, what?
If I got seen on that camera, I'm gonna go on my brother's iPad, search up the van, and go on your YouTube channel.
No, I'm probably gonna edit that out if I did that.
Okay, good. Better.
Because I know how to edit a little bit.
I don't think.
There's Monkey. I mean, there's Blondie.
Daniel, get in here.